Did you know we're officially living in a sci-fi movie? Yep, a humanoid robot just learned how to do chores on its own, and it didn't take years, just 18 months. That's faster than it takes most of us to get our laundry folded. So buckle up, because today we're diving into this real sci-fi story. And you may be wondering why this story? Well, I stumbled across this gem of a video while doom scrolling on YouTube, 2.5 million views on a 20-minute boring tech video. Yeah, 20 minutes. That's basically an episode of Big Bang Theory, but with none of the jokes. Lucky for you, I watched it so you don't have to, and I'm breaking it down into bite-sized pieces in only a few minutes with recent updates. So let's go! Let me first introduce you to Figure AI, a US company that decided humanoid robots are the future. It was founded in 2022 by Brett Adcock, who has a track record of pushing the boundaries of tech. He's also the co-founder of Archer Aviation, a company that's developing electric air taxis. Yep, flying cars aren't just for sci-fi anymore. Archer is working to make short-distance air travel a reality with its eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. And if that wasn't enough, Adcock also co-founded Vettery, a recruiting platform that matches top talent with companies. Think of it as a more efficient LinkedIn, using data and AI to pair up job seekers with employers faster and smarter. So yeah, Brett knows a thing or two about innovation. With Figure AI, they launched their first robot in October 2023. Let's call it Kai for ease. Kai learned to walk on 2 legs just like us, but way faster. No need for 10 years of practice, they did it in less than a year. Pretty impressive, right? But it doesn't stop there. 4 months later, by March 2024, with a little help from OpenAI, Kai had upgraded. Now it wasn't just walking, it was doing actual chores. Picture this. Kai handed someone an apple and then casually started washing dishes. Yep, your dream roommate is here and it doesn't even leave dirty socks everywhere. Now, what's absolutely mind-blowing is that in just 18 months, Kai went from sketch on a napkin to a fully functional house-cleaning robot. And it learns from its environment, no more of that pre-programmed robot vacuum nonsense. It's faster than my decision to hit snooze every morning. Now that's fast as I've mastered the hitting the snooze button process. And when Kai talks, it's not like, robot? Nope, it's more like, here's that apple you wanted. Honestly, I've met actual humans who aren't that smooth in conversation. Here is a short demo of Kai, known as Figure 01 for you to watch.
Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate.
But here's the kicker, Kai was just the warm-up act. Enter Figure 02, Kai's bigger, stronger sibling. It stands at 5 feet 6 inches, weighs 70 kilograms, and is already pulling its weight at BMW factories. No joke, this robot is a powerhouse, built for factories, warehouses, and even retail jobs. It has managed to insert sheet metal parts during a trial at BMW, something that apparently requires way more dexterity than any robot has ever had before. That's right, Figure 02 is out here flexing skills that regular robots couldn't handle. And BMW? Well, they're not just impressed, they're seeing real potential here. The German company said that humanoid robots could be used for tasks that are difficult, tiring, or unsafe for human workers. This trial was actually part of BMW's broader iFactory vision, which focuses on making car production more efficient, digitally transformed, and sustainable. So it's not just about showing off cool robots, it's about reshaping the future of work. Now let me tell you some cool things about Figure 02's superpowers, because these aren't just fancy tech buzzwords, they're the real deal. Number 1, speech-to-speech conversation. Yep, Figure 02 can talk to humans. Thanks to onboard mics and speakers connected to custom AI models, it's like having a robot buddy who can chat with you. Sure, it won't spill any juicy gossip, but it might hand you your morning coffee. Number 2, onboard VLM, Vision Language Model. Figure 02 also has this cool thing called a vision language model. Basically, it can look at stuff and understand what it's seeing. Think of it like when we glance at a pile of laundry and instantly decide to ignore it. Figure 02 might actually fold it. Number 3, 4th generation hands. Oh, and don't forget its hands. These are no ordinary robot claws. Figure 02 has human-sized hands with 16 degrees of freedom. Its hands are more capable than mine on a Monday morning, and it's ready to take on way more tasks than I ever am. So, while Kai was great, Figure 02 is a game changer. It's designed to help with labor shortages and take over dangerous jobs. With its superhuman agility, we'll probably see robots like this everywhere soon. It's already holding its own at BMW, so I wonder what's next. In short, robots are coming, and fast. Figure 01 walked so Figure 02 could run, straight into our workplaces and maybe even our homes. Whether you find that exciting or a little terrifying, one thing's for sure, the future is here. If Kai and Figure 02 blew your mind, and you liked what you watched, please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech fundamentals content. Thanks for watching and comment on where you think this robot craziness is going.